You can put the phrasal verb in two places. In the middle, or at the end, turn off. Please turn off the light. Please turn the light off. Turn on. He turned on the TV. He turned the TV on. Pick up. She picked up the phone. She picked the phone up. Put on. I put on my jacket. I put my jacket on. Take off. He took off his shoes. He took his shoes off. Give back. Please give back the book. Please give the book back. Write down. She wrote down the address. She wrote the address down. Call back. I called back the manager. I called the manager back. Bring back. They brought back the chairs. They brought the chairs back. Hand in. The student handed in the homework. The student handed the homework in. Look up. He looked up the word. He looked the word up. Try on. She tried on the dress. She tried the dress on. Take out. Can you take out the rubbish? Can you take the rubbish out? Put away. He put away the books. He put the books away. Turn down. She turned down the invitation. She turned the invitation down. Fill out. Please fill out the form. Please fill the form out. Wake up. I woke up my sister. I woke my sister up. Figure out. They figured out the answer. They figured the answer out. Put off. We put off the meeting. We put the meeting off. Set up. He set up the computer. He set the computer up.